welcome to day 4 of our 2-week yoga challenge. Congratulations, you made it to day 4, and today we're going to do something a little bit different. It's not the physical poses or the asanas, but it's the breath work, which is very important, and it's called Pranayama. And the oil we're using today is Young Living frankincense. And if you don't have the frankincense already, please get some here in what is called a premium starter kit. And that's how you get a membership with this amazing company. You're going to want to buy a lot of oils like I do every month, and supplements and amazing stuff. They have even makeup. Wow. So I'm wearing it right now. So the frankincense is this oil which supports our immune system, supports our brain health, supports our skin. I actually put it on my skin every night. And now for this class, I'm going to put some on my temples. I'm going to put some on the back of my neck. I'm going to put some on the side of my neck and a little bit on my hands. So, love my frankincense. And I'm going to rub it in. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to breathe in deeply through my nose. And then exhale slowly also through my nose. Ground yourself in this amazing moment, in this amazing life, and give gratitude for what you have and for what is to come. And that if you can work hard and if you can be with amazing friends and family, thank you, thank you, thank you. Om Namah Shivaya. So today, what we're going to work on is the bandhas. So I'm going to teach you 3 bandhas. Bandha means lock. So we have the throat lock, that's the jalandara bandha, and that's when we bring the chin to the chest. That's one, and I'll tell you more about that in a moment. The second one is when we engage our core muscles, when we lift up those core muscles, whether sitting or standing or lying down, when we engage those core muscles, that is called Uddiyana bandha. And the Uddiyana bandha is this amazing, amazing thing that we can do where we literally lift ourselves up, even to the point of flying. Well, not really, but it's this upward lifting or upward flying. Do you want to fly in your life? Do you want to have the most amazing uplifted life? Engage your core all the time. So that's the second one. The third bandha is actually the perineum. And for women, this is when, for example, after childbirth or even before childbirth, there's something that we practice called Kegels. I'm pretty sure everybody knows what that is. And it's where the floor of your body, you engage that muscle. And it's not your gluteal muscles. That one you can relax, but still engage the floor of your body. And so here we engage that one. It's called the root lock or mula bandha. Okay, so we have the jalandara bandha. That's the throat lock. We have the Uddiyana bandha. That's the core or the upward lifting lock. And we have the mula bandha, which is the root lock. So those 3 locks, very, very important. And now we're going to use them together with the breath. You can also use 2 of those, the Uddiyana bandha and the mula bandha, with your physical poses that you do. And we'll talk more about that in future videos. So in this one, we're going to breathe in deeply, this amazing frankincense smell, and exhale very slowly. Now I'm going to add another thing, and that is put your tongue to the roof of your mouth the whole time, okay? I can't because I'm talking, but when I'm breathing, I'm going to be having my tongue to the roof of the mouth when I inhale, the tongue to the roof of my mouth when I exhale. All right, let's do this together. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Now, I want you to do that one more time. Tongue to the roof of your mouth. I want you to engage your bandha here. Your Uddiyana bandha. I want you to engage your perineum or squeeze in the floor of your body. And that's 1, 2 bandhas, right? Those 2 bandhas. The tongue to the roof of the mouth, this bandha and that bandha. And inhale. And exhale. It's actually sitting and doing work. It's wonderful. And now what we're going to do after one more breath, we're going to do something called Kapalabhati. And the Kapalabhati is the rapid exhalation through the nose. And so inhale deeply, exhale, and with the tongue to the roof of the mouth, exhale rapidly over and over again as if you were blowing your nose in a tissue. And here's what it looks like. And exhale slowly. Why do we do that Kapalabhati? It's to oxygenate the body. And this is a great thing to do before your physical yoga postures, which we call the asanas. So what we're doing is that we're breathing, we're exhaling really quickly through our nose, and then the air naturally comes back in. So it's like this. Can you see that? And if you put your hand on your abdomen, I know this is so strange if you haven't done it before. If you've done this before, good for you. If this is your practice every morning before you eat breakfast, good for you. And so for the people who don't know about this practice of pranayama, this royal path of yoga, this amazing path of glorious happiness and oxygenation and just purifying and strengthening your body, then good for you for listening to this amazing lecture. So here we're going to put our hands on our abdomen, and when we exhale quickly through our nose with the tongue to the roof of the mouth and engaging your perineum, all of those things happening at the same time, it looks like this. Good, that's very slowly. And you can do this as many times as you want in sets. And listen to your body. And if you feel like you're getting lightheaded, just inhale deeply. Hold your breath. And exhale deeply. And slowly, and hold the breath. Very good. Now we're going to do that together. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. And begin. I did a set of 12, and inhale deeply. And exhale normal. Good. If you feel lightheaded, don't worry. This will pass eventually. It won't always feel that way. It's just in the beginning. Now, one really important thing to remember is that if you feel like this is too much for you, just take a break and don't do more. But if you feel like you want to do another set, let's do that together. Inhale deeply. Exhale. And begin. And inhale deeply. Exhale slowly, tongue to the roof of the mouth. Good. I was told by my teacher that when you do this practice, it's as if you're taking in the same amount of oxygen as you would normally breathe in 3 days. Your body is getting so much oxygen so fast that you're actually building your patience, building your oxygenation of your body that oxygenates all your cells. And believe it or not, after you do this, you just feel this amazing lightness. That mixed together with this amazing essential oil, you just, oof, you don't, trust me, you won't need to drink coffee anymore. This is it. This is all you need. And now the last practice, the third one that I'm going to show you guys, and recapping, the first one was just the deep breath, in and out. And the second one was the Kapalabhati, the rapid exhalation. Very good. And then the third one is where we're actually going to hold the out breath, hold the in breath. So when we inhale deeply, we can lock with the jalandara bandha, hold, and then unlock, and exhale slowly. And hold your bandha with the exhale out. So that's what we're going to do. And I can take it deeper and deeper with you on subsequent videos, but on this one, let's just focus on these three. It's a great beginning. And please always practice this before you eat. That's a really key point. So inhale deeply and then the jalandara bandha, and then exhale slowly and then the uddiyana bandha. So here we go. Inhale. Unlock, exhale slowly through the nose, tongue to the roof of the mouth. Lock your bandha, lock the air out, hold. Inhale slowly, lock. Unlock, exhale slowly and then lock again. Lock the breath out. And inhale, regular breath. You can practice this as long as you want, and just be conscious of how you're feeling. Be mindful of how you're feeling in this beautiful pranayama practice. So thank you so much for watching my videos. And this is day 4. I'm sending you so much love. And why not? Let's just end with a chant. Ready? Inhale deeply. Namaste.